What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about green Satoshi token GST, which has been pumping in value like crazy. 141% up in the last 24 hours, making it just under 12 cents right now. As I'm recording the video, it's still pumping up in value. It's been doing absolutely crazy. We're going to be looking at, why it's pumping up so much. Is it too late to get into it? Is it a good time to invest into it before it goes even higher, or is it going to drop back down? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what its next target is over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So you guys may have noticed just right now, as I switch screens on CoinMarketCap, there is two versions of it. There's a BSC version and there's the SOL version as well on GST. As you can clearly see here, there's two, but we are going to be focused on BSE. And again, as you can see, it's 10 cents here, and obviously it's 13 cents here as well. There is a slight difference in value, and over here it's let me refresh the page. Should be around the very similar price value. Let me just get rid of that. As you can see, 12 cents here as well, but that's because of the major increase. Anyways, back to GST here. So as you can see here, in the last hour itself, managed to gain 56% up in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 153%, over the week 62%. As you can see, most of the time it was just dropping in value slowly and steadily, and out of nowhere, over the last couple of hours it started to pump up in value, and over the month is an overall 31% down. Even though it has pumped up so much in the last couple of hours, overall for the month it is down 31%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 861% up in the last 24 hours, making it $2.5 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on GST. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and is one of the top gainers. So people will be looking into investing into it or selling it if they are on a profit. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be drawing right now, but I won't be using this right now. I'll be using it later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart right now, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing GST at 8 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 12 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as you can see, there are several gaps in between the candlesticks here, as you can see, over the last couple of hours. The only reason for that is because of the major increase in value. Is pumped up so much, as you can see, as I showed you guys earlier, 140, let me see what it's now, 153% up. So yeah, that is well, it's not really normal for us to have gaps, but when it's a huge increase, when it's within a couple of hours, we are going to see very minimal gaps, and that is exactly what's taken place here. So again, according to the graph at the bottom here, the MACD indicator, we are going to see it keep pumping up in value over the next couple of hours, but that is not what I'm predicting. I am expecting it to drop below the 10 cents target over the next 3, 4, 5 hours, and then even below that by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. We should be back down to around the 8 to 10 cents target, fluctuating somewhere in between there. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, what can we see here? Again, looking very similar. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and is looking quite steep as well. So again, an overall increase in value is what is expected from the chart, but obviously, guys, that's only because of the major increase that's taken place. Overall, I am expecting it to take a little step back, take a little breather, and then drop back down in value below the 8 cents target towards the end of next week. Again, That does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side, so do expect an overall decrease in value. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Now we are still looking bullish, still looking positive, but again, it's not looking as steep as it's meant to. It is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. However, the way it's been dropping so far, I'm expecting it to carry on that way and keep dropping in value over the coming weeks. I'm not expecting it to pump up anytime soon. Again, yes, we did see a major pump today, but it's very likely to drop back down in value over the coming days and coming weeks back to around the 6 cents. But again, this was just a temporary pump. It's not going to stay up there. Well, I don't believe it will anyway. But if, you know, there are major updates or major news that come across that will have a major impact on the value of GST, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. And obviously, guys, you guys would probably know by now, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market. If it's dropping in value, we are going to see most cryptos dropping as well. However, when it's pumping, we are also going to see most cryptos pumping in value. So to make it easier for you guys and to, for you guys to keep on top of things on the crypto market, what I have done is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, what to expect, what to predict, what price target is likely to hit, and also showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. If you guys want to get involved, the link to that, my Telegram, will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, because after that it will increase to $29.99. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, as you can clearly see here, just to give you guys a brief explanation on what to expect from Bitcoin and the crypto market in general, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to GST, and as you can see, there isn't much to do right here because we are in the lowest part possible. Not only are we in the red zone, but we are literally all the way down, and for us to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to hit $2.16, which again, I'm not expecting anytime soon. We're gonna have to go for a major increase, over 700-800% increase, or even higher than that, for us to even hit the green zone, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So more or less for the rest of the year and potentially next year as well, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on GST. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also let me know what your predictions are on this crypto. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on GST. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.